What is up, guys? It's your noodle here, and I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. Let's do the Coke challenge. I'll explain to you what it is quickly. So 2 liters of Diet Coke. Gotta drink it as fast as you can and pretty much chug it, and you can't burp. So that's the name of the game, and should we try this stuff out? Right now I have 2 different 1 liter bottles. See, 2 1 liter bottles. I've not opened them yet. They are fully closed. But yeah, let's see what I can do. See what I can do, buddy. I have a feeling I'm gonna fail miserably. Not sure what's gonna happen. Okay, so right now I'm extremely mad at my new web camera. Yeah, well, as you can see, my video quality or recording quality is much better. It's so much better. But yeah, I want to do this. I want to get this over with because I know this is gonna be painful. Still haven't opened them. I'll show you again. So let's do this. Okay. Insane. I'm insane to do this, but whatever. Let's go. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. I had to burp already. I can't. I can't even swallow the soda. It hurts. It hurts so bad. Oh, I only have half one done. My stomach's gonna explode. I can't. Oh. That was insane. Let's see what else I can do. And you can see I failed already. I'm just going to drink the rest of this and see what the hell happened. It hurts so bad in your stomach. Try this. You think it'd be easy, but dude, oh my god, it hurts. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. I gotta finish this at least. It's one thing. Diet Coke, the ultimate burp medicine. Like when you take like 3 frickin' swigs of this, your stomach just like wants to explode. Oh god. That was the most insane burp I've ever had in my entire life. That's all I got left, guys. Oh. This is the fastest I've chugged soda in forever. Almost finished. Oh god. Wow. Okay. 2 liters is ridiculous. I did one. Couldn't even get halfway finished with it. And I did an insane burp. Oh my god, if anyone does this, you're insane. Oh, I can't stop burping. But that was freaking awesome. All of you, any of you can try that. I don't think any of you can get it. It'd be freaking sweet if you did. But yeah, that was amazing. I'll be doing more challenges probably later. This new web camera. Yeah, so peace out, guys. Love y'all.